Ford Galaxy 2014 2-liter TDCi. This is a quick video how to replace alternator pulley, this bad guy. First, what we are going to do is to get a bit more access to this. So I'm gonna remove the light. If you can reach everything without removing light, is up to you, but I need to have some access for filming and just maybe for just a bit more of maneuvering. To remove the light, it's pretty simple. One screw here, another one there, and of course disconnect the plug as well. Two screws, one there, another one up here, this one, and then we take the light out. With the screws out, light just goes out as easy as it is. And here is our pulley, a bit better access, and this is a part of tensioner. So to get to pulley, what we need to do, we need to drop the belt, and its belt is under tension now, and the tensioner is this 15mm bolt that you turn clockwise, and then it turns, detensions the belt, and there is a place here to put the pin to secure it in detensioned position. I must say this bolt is pretty tight, this tensioner is really tight, so not to hurt my fingers, I'm gonna use a little bit of towel, put it on that 15mm, and then turn it as far as it goes and put the pin. I'll show you everything now. So as I turn it, as you can see, this bit is turning, so we take a pin like this, and then we turn it all the way as far as it goes, and then put the pin in there, and we can drop the belt off the alternator pulley and just leave it there. You see the pin where it is? I want to say a couple words about the pulley, the way how it works. It's a clutch pulley, so it's not just a solid piece. Basically there is a clutch inside, and it works like a bicycle. As the engine turns alternator, it turns it, but if engine drops the revs, alternator keeps turning. It's like on a bicycle, you push the pedals and you can let it go, and then it will keep turning. Same with alternator. So when it fails, it gets sticky, and then it makes it uneven, and it makes vibrations because it's too hard, because comparison size of the pulley and size of the engine's pulley is much bigger, so alternator spins twice if not more speed of the engine, so if it's uneven then it gives you vibration. So that's why we're gonna replace this pulley with the new one. Next thing we do is remove this plastic cover that covers inside of the pulley. To remove the pulley we'll need a special tool. As you can see the way it works. Oh, I can't see anything. There is splines on the outside and a Torx bit. There is splines on the outside and there is a Torx bit on inside on the axle of the alternator. This is a tool I've got, I think I got it on Screwfix, but I'll leave a link in the description. So it's a universal thing, so you can use it on many alternators. So the way it works, you put, as you can see there are splines inside here, you put it in, and then you find a bit that goes inside that holds axle of the alternator, and then you have to turn it with the axle of the alternator has to go together with the rotation of when it's turning to generate. So this side it goes on opposite. That's what we're gonna do now. There was not enough space to fit this tool because of this frame. So what we've done, we raised this side of the car, secured with stand. Don't rely on a jack on its own. Took the engine undercover off, and then using plywood we gave a little bit of a pressure to the bottom of the engine Try not to break anything on the engine, just a bit to raise the engine a little bit. And then we put this T50 inside, and we hold it with a 10mm spanner, ring spanner preferably for better grip. And then the outer bit is a 22mm bolt, not bolt, 22mm nut with splines. So you have to counter hold central bit. It has to stay still, and then you undo that black nut in opposite direction of the generator turning. So middle bit, if you're turning middle bit, it has to go together with the alternator, but outer bit has to go opposite side. Always check the thread. Some of them can have opposite thread. So this is how we do. We just broke the thread, so we broke it loose. So it's loose now, and it took us a bit of hassle. Nevertheless, it goes. So this is how it goes. You hold the middle of the alternator, and then you turn the outer bit like that. And we take the pulley off. So this is how it works with the pulley. So it can turn one way, but it won't turn the other way. So it only goes one way. So just put everything back in reverse sequence. All done. More stuff about this car, some other cars, see my website, wilsonmotors.com.